Hey everyone, Anthony here, and today we're coming to you from the beautiful port of St. Petersburg in Russia. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Martin 700 watch. It's been having a bit of a dousing issue, so it's leading me to think that there might be some sort of cooling issue, as it only lasts about 20 minutes at a time. So we're going to take it into the workshop and have a look. Let's go. So as is always the way, the tool that I need is the T15 star key, and is missing from the set. So I have one bit driver on my Leverman, which, because of the bit set that I have, has a 15 that comes with it. So we're going to try an attempt to get the pair of fans out, which you can see are mounted as a pair. The top two screws here, here, and then the same on the bottom. We're going to try and get that out the hard way. Okay, so it's definitely the bottom fan, because we just had a little play with the cables in case there was some loose connection. So yeah, we're just going to replace this bottom fan here. Okay, so now I've got all four screws out. There's a little plug here. You have to unplug, can't do it with one hand though, hang on. Okay, so I've acquired a spare unit from salvaged scrap fixture, and we're going to plug it in, see if they both work. It's plugged in. We can test the pair of fans here by switching on the unit. If you hold down the up and down keys at the same time as powering on, it actually stops the unit from resetting the tilt and pan. So we're just going to switch this on. Power's on. Does like a little jolt, but it doesn't actually engage the tilt and pan motors. Everything else is going. And we can see both these fans are actually spinning, which is great. So we can put everything back together now, and we should have a working, reliable wash fixture. Okay, just going to leave it on a test sequence. See how it does. It was lasting about 20 minutes before, so let's see what it can do. Okay, so we've been running for a solid half an hour now. Even put the covers back on just to give it a more of a IRL test. Giving it a good clean, and we'll get it back in the rig. So as you can see here, we got one happy little wash. It's been working for a few days now, lasting throughout whole shows, whole days. So, successful repair. Hey guys, I really hope that video was useful and informative to some of you. And if you want to leave me some comments underneath, that'd be great. It's one of my first videos on YouTube, so that'd be most appreciated. Any feedback of things I could improve. Feel like you want to subscribe, then you can do that too. It's usual stuff on YouTube, I guess. And I lead a pretty interesting life, as you can see, working on cruise ships, so feel free to subscribe and see what I get up to. And I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, take care.